Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to delve into how to use Trello's card history for task reviewing and auditing, the full 2025 guide. Now let's get started. First up, you need to locate the card of interest. Navigate to your Trello board and open the card you wish to review. The reason we do this is because all the activity related to that card is stored within it. This is where we'll find the card history. Once you have your card open, look towards the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll notice an activity feed. This is essentially the card history. It records every action taken on the card, from its creation to any changes made. This helps us because it provides a comprehensive overview of the card's life cycle, essential for thorough reviewing and auditing. Now that we've located the activity feed, let's delve into it. You'll see entries like card created, moved from list X to list Y, or comment added. Each entry will also have a timestamp and the name of the person who performed the action. The reason we focus on these entries is because they provide vital information about the task's progression, who's responsible, and when changes were made. Let me explain why this matters. If there are any inconsistencies or issues with a task, you can identify what went wrong, when, and who was involved. This is crucial for maintaining accountability and rectifying mistakes. Next up, we have the Filter Activity option. When you click on it, you'll see options to filter activity by member, date range, or type of action. This helps us because it allows us to hone in on specific events, making the audit process more efficient and targeted. Finally, if you need to report or document this information, Trello has a handy feature for that too. Simply click on Print and Export at the bottom of the menu on the right and choose Export as JSON. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is converting all the card history into a machine-readable format, which you can then convert into a more human-friendly format using any online tool. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello's card history for task reviewing and auditing. Remember, keeping track of your tasks this way ensures accountability, provides insights into your task management, and helps identify potential bottlenecks. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.